Hi everyone, my name is David Barcenas. I'm one of the developers from the Robotics Academy website team. I'm going to be doing a short demo about the project and what we did. So first of all, we have the landing page here. We have a few blog articles relating to robotics. We have our footer and we have a nav bar that you can use to navigate throughout the pages on the app. So we're using Next.js to make some seamless navigation happen. Some of the tabs that we have working right now, we have the demo reel, which kind of just shows a video about the FIU Robotics Academy. We have the virtual classroom, which is meant to be showing some lessons relating to robotics, the Robotics Academy. You can see some of this here. And then we have another lesson in VR type of thing that's not fully set up yet. Then we have the Robotics forum. So this is one of the main features of the app. Basically, this is the forum where users are going to be able to post and ask questions about robotics or post any news relating to robotics. We have some discussion topics here on the right that you can filter by. So all discussions is already selected, but if you want to do automation, certificates, courses, and everything, we have really fast querying here for all this type of data. You can also see the top posters. So right now there's only one poster, which is just me. And one of the main features that we had to implement was, the actual posting of content, which we'll show soon. If you click on a post, you're gonna be taken to that post page and some comments. So um, right now I'm going to show you guys like how the user authentication works. So we're using NextAuth to create the user authentication. So if I press sign in right here, we're going to be greeted with this page to sign into your account where you can sign up. I'm just gonna make a. I already have an account, so as you can see, we have like a list of users here in our database. I'm using Prisma Studio right now, but this is connected to our plant scale database in the cloud. As you can see, we have some emails. All our passwords are hashed. We have some roles for each user. So, for example, there's gonna be a user role and an admin role, and the admin role is gonna have more permissions on the website to access certain things. So um, right now, I'm going to sign into that certain admin role website or email. So if I put in my username here, um, for the user sign up, we do have some specific like requirements set up for in the form. So, for example, passwords have to be greater than 8 characters. The email has to be valid, and some other requirements that I set up. So if I sign in here, okay, it's giving me. I'm logged in now as an admin, and I have the latest spam report. So here I can see kind of like what is the spam that's going through. So one of the requirements for the website was that we had to create a filter because the old website, which was created in PHP and Laravel, had some security vulnerabilities. Basically, there was a lot of spam going through the website. There was no type of filtering. People were able to post anything that they wanted to, and as a result, the website had to be taken down because there was like posting of illegal content and stuff. So what this is going to do is every single time a post is created, it's going to go through the Akismet API and it's going to try to detect if this is spam or not. It's going to make a guess. If it's detected as spam, the post is not going to be automatically put on the forum, but it's going to be filtered out and placed in this table, right? So if I show you guys here, the is spam column, we have some that are false and some that are true. So we have these two posts that are true, right? And these are kind of just ones that I set up automatically. Any post that I'm going to make, because I'm posting it from my local computer, it's going to get marked as like not spam. But in a real life scenario, when a user posts something, it's going to do all the tests. The API checks for a lot of parameters such as IP, the actual comments, and things of that nature to make sure that something is spam or to consider if something is spam or not. So in this case, I manually mark these as spam in our database. And if they're spam, they're going to show up here on this table, and it's up to the admin user to decide whether they want to delete the spam post or recover the post. If I were to recover this post, this test post, or this one, let's just do this one, the guaranteed spam test. Let's just try to see what happens if we recover it. The post was recovered successfully, and we can go back, and it's already here. So as you can see, we have the full filtering of the posts like working. We can create a new post. So if I wanted to make a new post here, let's just call it my new post. I can select the category, automation, and put in some content. So my content. And I can submit it right here. So we have our new post and the content. It's super fast. We already see that it's already in the page. And if I were to refresh my page here, I can see that it got posted right here. My new post, my content. It's not spam, automation, no comments, and it was created by me. So this is all working. Um, and that was like the main feature for the forum. Um, there's also like an about us page here that we have. So if you want to learn like more information about, Robotics Academy, what it's about, we have, some information about the program that you can click here. Opens up a PDF. Um, Information about the team. We have on the grid, which is just kind of like, news about robotics and things that are going on in the robotics industry. We have like some type of newsletter. It's 100% set up right now, but the UI is there. And then we have other things, milestones. We have a Robotics Academy Summit, some information about that, our team, and latest news, which I already went over. So that's kind of the gist of the entire website, what we worked on for the semester. A lot the main feature again was just trying to get rid of all that spam and kind of just move this over to like a new framework with like less security vulnerabilities and um, really just clean up some of the website that was that had those vulnerabilities. Thank you guys for tuning in. I hope you all have a good day.